in this world of ice.
We found each other. A silent vow. A future held in a single look.
My turn. Her journey ends. Mine begins. The weight was more than just a shell. With the egg safely in Kale's pouch, Elara must now embark on the perilous journey to the sea, trusting he will endure the long winter. A solitary figure against the endless ice, Elara begins the perilous journey. 2 months of darkness, of waiting, protecting a life I hadn't yet met.
My only warmth was the promise inside.
I returned from the sea. To find our promise kept.
And so the cycle continues. Life won from the ice.
Below the ice, the clumsy waddle transforms into an effortless, graceful flight. Here, the penguins are truly free.